I think we got it.
Found the liquor store.
You know, I'm gonna say it. Woody Woodpecker is kind of a dickhead. I just don't get it, man.
Yeah, the big bird's birding around. I'm gone. I'm in the building.
Oh hey, it's fine.
Crap.
Stop it.
Can you hit the truck with the bird?
Sure, where is it? I'll fucking run that bitch over.
It's on the right. There it is, straight ahead, straight ahead. Oh no. Oh no.
It's invisible.
They go crazy. I think it's distracted.
It's pushing me back. It's pushing me back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Don't blow
What is happening?
It's fighting back.
Don't blow it out.
Oh my god.
Oh, here, Evelyn, let me.
Guys, still trapped in eternal agony over here.
Guys, I have but one option. I know what I must do. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Guys, remember me as the man who took down the bird.
I can't believe that was the fucking.
Hey, based on the fact that it's still hitting me, I'm gonna guess that he didn't get it.
No.
Okay.
Nope.
Let's get back in the car though.